Princess. Today we're going to do a coconut cake recipe.
The ingredients we're going to need for this recipe is coconut oil, white sugar, yogurt, Greek yogurt, coconut milk, honey, vanilla bean, eggs, cocoa powder, our flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Please put the oven on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The step for this recipe is we're going to take all the ingredients and we're going to put it in our stand mixer. Mix for 1 minute. Divide the batter in 3 6-inch pans or 2 9-inch pans. Put parchment paper at the bottom of the pans. Please Put them in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Now we're gonna do the icing. The ingredients we're gonna need for this part of the recipe is butter, cream cheese, confectioner's sugar, cocoa, and a little bit of coconut milk. First step for this recipe is we're gonna take our butter and our cream cheese and we're gonna mix it together with our mixer. Now we're gonna add in our confectioner's sugar and our cocoa. Now we're gonna add in our coconut milk. So now we're gonna take our cakes. We're gonna cut off the top of one of our cakes so that it's flat. Then we're gonna take our raspberry jam and we're gonna put it on top of our flattened cake. And we're gonna put the other one on it and we're gonna use our frosting to put it all over. Now you can add sprinkles, fruits, and coconuts. Here's my cake.
This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.